Hello, so today I'm gonna be going down to Sanctuary to get some of the big boxes from the research points, like these ones right here. So yeah, let's go. Oh my, I can't even grapple. And I'm also gonna be minus some research points, cause yeah, they're free research. Why wouldn't you? He's gonna stay still for this round. Chickens are making me move. I hate them so. Bruh, release. I'm cooked. Yeah, I'm cooked. The fifth round. Bend down in real life to get that. Is this a breakable one? Yeah, it is. There is double bombs. Easy, man. Oh my. Don't think that, yeah, this is the way. I was gonna say, I don't think that is. So let's just wait for that. Check for anything. Yeah, let's see. Oh, I'm stuck in this spot. They really need to fix it. Yeah, now I hate. Oh, I'm stuck here. I know the way I've got it. Just drop that. Yeah. Grab this and we're out. Woo. I'm trying not to make this one because, like, the black crate one was pretty long. Okay, let's go down here. And let's go down here. And also, if you want to know the way to sewers, just, you know, just copy me. Make sure to turn off your lights in here because, as you can hear, Slatin, like Toasty calls it, his girlfriend is down here, haunted house lady, and let's just say she's not very friendly. Oh my, I always get stuck on these side. And we're in Sanctuary. Now, in my last lobby, I found 3 of those, research point box crates, but guess what? First of all, I wasn't recording and I forgot my bag. Which I have to do. Just trying to mine every research point. Yeah, this is where uranium also is. Want to know where it is. I'd recommend using a pickaxe. Don't have them unlocked yet, but I would recommend if you have to just get them from somebody else. Like over there is where I find most of my yeah, these like I got two. Let's go. This one's one of them. Let me just collect this, and then this one's the second one. These round ones right here, they take a lot. These crates. See that? And also, I'm also gonna be looking in Planetarium to get some, cause that has one. At least get one. There's always one that's. But just like Sanctuary has more of them that spawn. Just a lot of research points spawn here, so if you have some research points, I recommend going here. And I recommend getting like every tool that I have right now. I don't use the flashlight, but I just keep it on there for adventures, so I don't have to buy one, because after a while, if you keep buying those, it gets really expensive and pricey. Then, oh, I didn't even see this one. Let's go. Oh, hopefully it doesn't have that. Oh, items don't get. I guess I've never used it. Items don't activate it, I guess. Another one? Yeah, see, this is why I come down here. Because there's just like. Wait, that gives me company coins also. Yeah, I'm gonna be trading them in a different video. Which I'm gonna make right after I record this one in there. So like, they'll come out at the same time, close to the same time. So like, yeah, and this is also the exit, so I'd start here. This is like the last place you want to go, because it's close to the exit. The exit's literally right there. So like, yeah, but there's ogre and 2 angler fishes, so you're gonna want to. And then there's always this other box one that spawns right here. Literally every time. I'm good. Check. Get out of here. Yes, sir. Successful sewers run. See what we're at. 12. Okay. We can get 8 more. Now I'm gonna go to Planetarium. Also, if you want to know where Planetarium is, I guess just watch this part. I guess. This is the part where I'm gonna want the light, because it's practically pitch black. The good thing, oh my, the bad thing is that I'm stuck, and the good thing is that, like, I know the way. Ew. Please be one down here. I'm cooked. Okay, is that one? No. One back here. No. Spider's also in here, so you're gone. So this is the way. And as you can hear, Spider is somewhere in here. It's inside of a rock. Bro, how? How are you supposed to mine that? Okay. I always stay on the roof. I might be going. No, I'm not going the wrong way. I remember this. There's no box ones in here. Might have hit my limit. Probably. Just like, if I mine the planet and I don't get one, okay, maybe, I'm pretty sure I hit it if I don't get one. Box one, let's go. And yes, I went the right way. Because the spider wasn't in there, but it was close out later when I was mining the other research. Yeah, as you were wondering, those purple box crystals, those round ones, always drop a large crate, so I'm not like using any type of hack to like give myself a better luck chance. Like I get one every time, because I literally did get one every time. And this is getting pretty heavy, and I'm getting pretty stuck all the time because I can't do nothing. This is the planet you're gonna want to be going to. There's at least one box crystal. Yeah, right there. That's the box crystal. The only bad thing is catching it. Like, okay, I'm just gonna get the box. I'm gonna make it easy. Yeah, so you just can like spam it. I didn't even know you can put these in a box until like 2 or 3 days ago. But as you can see, I already started collecting them. I had 8 at the start, and now we have like 14. So you gained already like 6. Okay, so yeah, I have reached my daily limit, but I'm still gonna mine them for company coins. This is how to get out if you're wondering. Just eat 2 of these. And come over here. You just go into this place and now you're out, and you're also big. One cool feature about being big is just like you can set off mines and they don't even attack you. What if I set on one? Don't think you can. And after a few minutes, like a minute or 2, then you will turn tiny. This. See, yeah, that's 2,000. Alright, we'll see how much we got. Yeah, I got 6 from the sanctuary, and we got it from the planetarium. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. I'm gonna do, once I get a full one off camera, I'll do a video of me trading. Actually, I'll just do a video of me trading all 14 minutes. So anyways, bye-bye. Yeah, I don't know. Bye-bye. And also, I forgot to say this, but I will be doing a giveaway to you guys. So, I'll pick randomly one of the commenters. Like, well, I mean, Slat's getting one, obviously. Maybe if he's, like, you know. But I will be giving away a pumpkin jack. I don't know if they're big or not. Okay, they're small. Okay, so, like, I'll maybe big. I don't know if I have any big ones, but like, I'll give one of you guys, one of these for each winner gets one. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So, also if you're wondering, I have all these rare items cause, like this one, cause I'm a rare item collector. I just like rare items. Like I also have these ones. I might give away one of these, cause that you see the other one in there that was. I'll give one of these to Slat, yeah, cause he's like the only YouTuber who actually like responds to people back. Where did I put? Oh, right here. Okay, so yeah. I guess that's my inventory. I might, and I say might, give somebody one of these. I don't know who. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna give that one away, but yeah, you know, like. You know, and if you're wondering what's inside this one, black crates. So I'm never opening that one because they patched the glitch and they go flying everywhere. I already tried that. Okay, so yeah. I don't know why this took so long. Bye, Slat. Like, oh, just like message me, comments, what code you want to join. I don't know. Okay, so anyways, bye bye. I don't know why this took so long.